Well, I want to get on here while it's fresh. We did just under 4 hours. Just got done talking to Vladi after being done. Appreciate everybody who joined in on the live. The questions you guys posed. Hopefully you found value in the material. We were shooting for 2 hours. We missed by 2. It's 3 a.m. in Serbia where he is. He just finished up. We went into a lot of honesty, a lot of truth, a lot of change is going to be uncomfortable, how to process that discomfort, full accountability, responsibility, why you're better off, both parties, when you're dealing with family that you're trying to save or loved ones that you're in charge of, being a better version of yourself. Whatever that means to you is honoring them. But to care for someone at the expense of yourself, why that might not make sense and isn't good for either party. But we covered everything in the topics of living or processing sick parents, family members, to how to change the tough stuff, from mind to cycles, to bodies, to belief patterns, breaking cycles, anchors, everything. As I said, as soon as it gets downloaded, I'll send the link to everybody who joined in. If you missed this, you have time to get in on it at the original rate. Again, it's 4 hours. He and I, over 50 plus years of experience. Things that we do that I applied to the 4 greater moments of change for the last, what has it been, 20 some years of my life. 4 massive moments. He had 3 or 4 massive moments. And again, how do we facilitate and survive and process and better these changes? This is what we went into. His versions, my life, his life. So email me, info@TommyJohnIII.com if you want access to the Vladimir and my workshop. Again, a colleague and friend of mine that over 20 years. And the 2 topics that we dove into at this stage of it were how to change the tough stuff, how to actually go in and recognize how to change the tough stuff. We have a tendency in society today, especially with the way the medicine and health world is, to really focus on the easy things and to really overcomplicate the easy things so that we don't have to see the tougher things and acknowledge the tougher things. And then processing sick parents, as I said, how to go into that to where both parties can be better versions of themselves. Hit me up, let me know. Appreciate everybody that attended and stuck around for 4 hours. It was the majority of everyone that signed up, stuck around for the 4 hours. As I said, way different than the podcast we've done in the past, but still brought the authenticity and realness to it. And if we do this again, another version of this, we will have been different, changed, because we're applying exactly what we live by. And then we talk about and guide people through. That is how we live. But we don't coach one way or train one way or guide one way and live another. And that's one of the only reasons I trust him and collaborate with him and one other name. And that's it at this stage of it right now. So appreciate everybody joining in. Let me know if anybody is inquiring or curious about that. The replay, as soon as it gets done, I'll send it out. You guys still have access to that, or anybody who wants to, at the original live rate for the next 7 days or so. Boom. Have a good weekend, everyone.